Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video I will go over the result of my technical and fundamental analysis of last week. And I will show you the result. I will show you the report, and I will also show you the chart in a minute. If you're interested in getting this weekly report sent to your email address basically every single week, just let me know down below in the comments, or even better, just send an email to the email address in the description and I will put you on the waiting list. It's a paid service, it's not for free, but it is definitely worth it. We have this weekly report that I'm putting together every single week, and this time I looked at the USD CHF, and it was last week, it was the 1st of October that I just did my analysis. So over here I always start with a fundamental analysis, and this was basically over here, these events were basically the main events that we had to focus on. We just keep in mind that these events might move the market. So these events were the biggest. It's always important to just keep in mind that these events can have a big impact on the charts. Over here we see that the Swiss franc weakened a little bit the last time, and we know of course that the USD is very strong because they keep raising the interest rates. We have a hawkish Fed basically. We also look at the seasonality. So over here we have the seasonality predicting a bullish momentum, and of course also over here we see the same, but then in numbers. So over here we see in about 30 days, 40 days, a move 140 pips to the upside. It's quite bullish, as you can see. That shows us that we are also looking for buy opportunities and not sell opportunities, right? So then we also look at the COT report, and this is also, it's not the most important thing to do, but it can definitely help. And over here we see that the net percentage decreased regarding the USD, which means that long positions are favorable. So that's also something to look for. We have retail sentiment. We also always want to just trade in the opposite direction of the retail traders, and over here we see that the majority of the traders are going short. So that means that we're going long, so that is also congruent with our bias, our upside bias. As you can see, 63% is going short. And we have the AI prediction, which basically shows that first price needs to go down. We see in upcoming 4 days we see that price might go down first, and of course later on it's quite similar to over here. Price needs to go down first and then it should go to the upside. We just need to be aware of that. That is something I keep in mind when I place an order. And over here we see the chart. This is the daily, this is the 4 hour. We see that it already went to the upside, but of course we think that it should go down more and then maybe consolidate and then go to the upside again. And this is my conclusion, that the seasonality, so based on the fundamental, the sentiment and the technical data, price needs to first go to the downside and then later on goes to the upside. So let me show you basically last week what happened. Alright, so the 1st of October was about here, so it was weekend, and then I do the analysis. Price went to the upside first, and we see that it reached a resistance. It went downwards as predicted. Over here we see that yeah, it kind of consolidated a little bit. It went to the upside as well. I had a buy limit over here placed, and as you can see, maybe it was a little bit of luck, I'm not sure, but it touched the target. And of course we are also near the 50 level, so it touched the target, and then as you can see, to the upside quite a lot. And there was a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio trade, which was fine. Of course, as you can see, it even went higher, but it's okay. We do not have to be greedy. So yeah, this was a trade that was perfectly analyzed, as I say it myself. But yeah, that is what I wanted to show you guys. This is what you can expect if you are interested in this service. This is the technical and fundamental analysis, and yeah, I will send you a weekly report in the weekend every single week. Then I go over a pair, and I will only send it if I think that it is worth taking a shot, right? So yeah, I will only send it if that is the case. But this is what you can expect, and this week, I mean, yeah, last week it played out perfectly. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know down below, and if you're interested, just send me an email to the email address in the description, and I will put you on a waiting list. When I will launch this service, I will send you an email. You are the first one that yeah, will be notified when I launch the service. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.